reached out to you, and you see the Lord's face, offering His hand. I know marami sa atin ang iniisip, Lord, I'm not worthy, bakit ka namatay para sa akin? Lord, makasalanan ako, pero bakit mo ako pinapatawad? Friends, the price to set you free, it has been paid, has been done. He paid it all to set us free. And He claimed victory in His death, friends. So, I hope and pray na i-allow natin yung mga sarili natin to share and rejoice in this victory. Silence our doubts, our unworthiness, our worries. He already knows you and He wants you to know Him. Kaya tanggapin natin siya. May we all give Him a space in our hearts for a lifetime. Ready to have a personal relationship with Him. And I want you to reflect on this, friends. Not just during this camp, but even after this camp. Your everyday life, sa school, sa interactions niyo, sa family niyo, sa friends niyo. And then how you live your everyday life. Always remember na nag-iintay si Lord para sa inyo. He's always ready to reach out His hand to you. May we all welcome Him, friends. Give Him space sa mga puso natin. Just as how He intentionally wants us. Then, friends, I hope that when time comes, you become truly ready to accept this personal relationship with Him. bilang friends, I hope we continue this reflection every time we walk sa buhay natin. And for that, may God be praised po. May we all continue to glorify Him with our lives.
Ayan. Ayan. Thank you, Ate Beb. Palakpakan natin si Ate Beb for a wonderful talk to session 2 ng ating camp. Before anything else, we would like to express our deepest gratitude muna sa mga nag-share and especially nag-talk during our session, yung mga nag-lead sa ating session 2. Nag-lead? Leader. Ayan, so, go ba yan?
Certificate of Appreciation proudly present to Bem Charis Tatoy. Sincere recognition and appreciation for generously sharing your knowledge, time, and expertise as a speaker for the talk to Who is Jesus Christ to me? Your valuable insight, inspiring message have greatly contributed to the success of this event and have left a meaningful impact on the participants. This certificate is given this 20th day of April 2026, signed by team head and team leader, Kuya Rai Sokal F. Brado and Ate Andrea Alvarez, and signed by Couple Coordinator, Tito Mark Aban and Tita Christine.